So guys, I have decided to take you through the Muranga town. I'm going to show you the beauty of the town. So right now I am at the Family Bank Road and we are heading to the Astro petrol station. And after that area now I'm going to head to Mukuyu town, and that is where I reside. But for now I have decided to take you here because I wanted to show you Muranga town. So let us go and discover a lot of things. So, as you can see, Muranga is a big town which has a lot of community. The big community here is Kikuyu community because they all mostly are found here in Muranga County. Even Muranga County is the home of the Kikuyu community. They started here and then they expand other areas like Kiabu, whatever. So this is a historic area. You can visit Muranga town. So in this town, there is a lot of people doing their businesses, as you can see. Some are motorists, some are drivers, some are selling street food. And I'm going to show you if I'm going to meet with one. Others are business persons, selling hardwares, selling dukas, and many more. So in this short video, I decided to take you through so that you can see part of Muranga town. Now we are heading to Mukuyu town. Now I'm near to approach the Astro. Astro is one of the oldest petrol stations in Muranga. It has been existing since around 1980 something. There was a Kikuyu singer who could sing the Mogithi songs, and he could quote this area. He could say Bikinya Mahesh when I reached Mahesh. So Mahesh is the Astro petrol station which I'm going to show you. So we are heading to Astro right now. The place is always cool, friendly people. I wanted to show you people selling street food. You can see there is Muranga, the street food I was telling about. I hope you have seen something. Now we are approaching the Mahesh Astro petrol station, one of the oldest petrol stations in Muranga town. So this is how I'm going to take you through Muranga town, because I want you to see that Muranga is a big town and it is one of the biggest towns in central Kenya. Muranga is the education center because here we have colleges and university. We have Muranga University College. So still we are in Muranga town. You can see there is huge buildings. The other buildings are here, the cars are moving. So everything you can see. Now we are heading to Mukuyu town. I'm taking you there so that you can see. You can see people are selling street food. Those are the maize or corn, depending on how you can name them. On the right hand, you can see people selling mutura. Just like that, you can see focus. This is how people survive. You can see people at Kepada. They are selling bananas, avocados, etc. So, I'm showing you how we survive in Muranga. I too being one of them, I am a hawker too, but I hope so. But for now I decided to make a skit because this is my sideline hustle. I'm showing you through the town because I want you to learn something. So let us keep going. We are recording Muranga town. Yo, my people, I hope you're seeing some. I'm taking you through the town because I want you to see that Muranga is still a developed town. This is the head of the capital city of Muranga County. Muranga County is headed by the governor of Yes, I'm taking you. I'm showing you how Muranga town looks like. So you can see it's still hot walking. The woman I'm targeting on a camera, you can see is carrying his goods. She's going to sell this book, as you can see. So Muranga is a huge town with a lot of people, most of them being the business person. So this is a small part of Muranga town I have decided to share with you, because I guess this is the least targeted area by me. I have been showing with you the town center, but I have never focused on the exit or entrance of Muranga town. This is the main entrance of getting into Muranga town when you are coming or driving from Nairobi. So this is the main entrance, and I'm going to take you there